Meaning of longshore drift.
Longshore drift.
Longshore drift.
Longshore drift.
Longshore drift. Longshore drift is a geological process that describes the movement of sediment along a shoreline. It occurs when waves approach a beach at an angle, causing the water and sediment to move along the shore in a zigzag pattern. As the water recedes back into the ocean, it pulls the sediment with it, resulting in a gradual movement of material along the beach. This process can have significant effects on coastal landscapes, as the movement of sediment can lead to erosion, deposition, and changes in the shape and size of beaches and other coastal features.